this is how I keep my asparagus fresh in the fridge, and it lasts a lot longer. Do not leave it in that bag. It will get moldy, it'll get gross, the tops get moldy. Yeah, no thank you. That's happened to me in the past. I have figured out that this works, okay? So you're gonna get your asparagus here, and you're gonna put it on your cutting board, okay? So I'm gonna grab the rest of my asparagus. Well, we're gonna go ahead and do this first. Okay, we're gonna get our knife, okay? And what I do is, make sure that they are all even, okay? We're gonna cut the bottoms of the asparagus. We're just gonna cut about, I don't know, half an inch. You can do half an inch in there. Okay, it's gonna go everywhere. All right, so we've got nice fresh cut, okay? Look how pretty that looks, oh my gosh. Love how God designed everything. Okay, we're gonna get our bowl, all right? So our bowl is gonna be right here. We're gonna put it in, we're gonna put our asparagus in here. The reason I got a large bowl is because I have more asparagus than this to put in here. So I'm gonna cut that up too. We wanna cut that up again. Easy, easy peasy. And we'll just cut. Okay. All right, there you go. Okay, let's put this in our bowl. Okay. This glass container, which is awesome. Use Pyrex glass containers or Anchor. So those are lead-free glass. Okay, so here we are. So it looks like this right now, okay? We're going to add filtered water into this, all right? So let me get my filtered water. I'm using my reverse osmosis AquaTrue filtered water. Not sponsored, by the way, even though I would love to become an affiliate because I do love AquaTrue's water filter. So I'm gonna just put it in here, and I'm gonna do about maybe close to 1 inch of water. You can see that right there, okay? That is going to sit in my fridge, okay? One thing I forgot to mention is that you wanna change out this water every few days, okay? So like it'll last about, I don't know, maybe like 4 days or so. But if your water starts looking kind of murky, change it out because then it's going to ruin your asparagus, okay? Filtered water, guys, okay? So this is going to sit in my fridge, and I'm just gonna grab as I go. I will always wash fruits and vegetables, so make sure you do wash your fruits and vegetables. You could also wash them before you do this. You can test it out and see how it works with how long it lasts, okay? When you go to wash this, you can wash it in baking soda, in vinegar, okay? So you can add baking soda or vinegar. You can have a spray bottle with half vinegar and half filtered water, okay? And spray them on there. Let them sit for like a couple minutes, rinse them off in filtered water, okay? So we wanna make sure that we have clean vegetables because you can get parasites and other sorts of disgusting bacteria in veggies because guess what? They're in a store, they travel from afar, unless if they're in your garden, you can, even when they're in your garden, you still wanna be mindful about those things because you never know if there could be some sort of E. coli, some feces on there. Yeah, we don't want that. Okay, hope this helps. Let me know if you try it at home and let me know how it goes for you. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you want to watch. I am trying to give you guys tips so that you guys save money, make sure that you guys are eating healthy and clean on a budget, but then also being able to simplify everything, right? We want to simplify our lives and we want to have simple, clean, healthy lives that are easy. I don't want hard, okay? So I want to teach you guys how I do it and just share my kitchen and my world with you. All right, have a blessed day, friends, and go be a blessing. Love God, love others. All right, bye.